Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to disable the restricted mode on in TikTok. The option of restricted mode on limits videos that may be inappropriate for some people. To remove that, first tap open your TikTok account. Then you can see the homepage of TikTok. You can see restricted mode is on in top of your homepage of your TikTok account. To remove that, first of all, you have to tap on the profile icon, which is on the right lower corner. After tapping your profile icon, you will be on your profile page. Then you'll have to tap the three-lined icon on the right upper corner of your page. Then a menu will pop up and you have to tap on the settings and privacy. After tapping it, you will be in a page something like this. Then you have to roll until you see content preferences. After you see content preferences, you have to tap on that. After tapping, you'll be in this page and you can see the restricted mode is on the second option. Then you have to tap on it. After tapping, you can see the restricted mode is on your TikTok. So you can see the red turn off button on the lower part of your screen. Then you have to tap on that. After tapping, you will be asked about your passcode which you used previously to turn on the restricted mode. So you have to tap that password. After tapping the password, you have to tap next, which is on the bottom of your page. Then your restricted mode is off. And you will be able to see all the videos without any restrictions. I hope this video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.